Today, a federal court ruled that U.S. immigration officials cannot re-detain Kilmar Abrego Garcia. Abrego Garcia has become a focal point of the administration's immigration crackdown after being deported last year from his Maryland home to El Salvador, despite a court order saying he could not be deported to his home country. After returning to the U.S., his legal team has been arguing against the administration's renewed efforts to deport him again, this time to a series of African countries proposed by Homeland Security officials. CBS News immigration and politics correspondent Camilo Montoya-Galvez joins us now. Camilo, what does this mean for Abrego Garcia moving forward?
Well, Lindsay, as you underscored, this federal judge in Maryland has yet again blocked Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE from re-detaining Kilmar Abrego Garcia, which obviously is a very significant development because he has been at the center of the country's immigration debate over the past year. Importantly, the judge in Maryland, Lindsay, found that the administration currently does not have a viable and feasible plan to deport Abrego Garcia from the U.S. To be clear, Abrego Garcia does have a deportation order because the administration argues that he entered the country illegally and is subject to deportation, but he also has legal protection from being sent to his home country of El Salvador. So the administration has been proposing to send him to a number of African countries, including Liberia, like you mentioned, even though his lawyers say that Abrego Garcia would willingly go to Costa Rica, which has offered him refugee status. But the lawyers say the Trump administration is blocking that for the time being.
Do we know why?
Because they argue that that is no longer an option. The administration first offered that option, going to Costa Rica, as part of a potential plea deal in that criminal case over allegations that he smuggled people in the country illegally. So now the judge is saying, because there is no viable option for him to be deported, the government doesn't have sufficient grounds to detain him pending that deportation. So for the time being, he will be free not only to fight his immigration deportation proceeding, but also, again, the criminal charges he faces in Tennessee over that allegation that he smuggled immigrants across the U.S.-Mexico border illegally.
Okay, and we also have an update in really one of the faces of the Homeland Security Department. What can you tell us?
Yeah, so top DHS spokesperson Tricia McLaughlin, who has been one of the most public and high-profile ardent defenders of the administration's immigration policies, is going to be departing Homeland Security next week. We are told that she is going to be taking a break from government service for the time being. And again, she has been the most high-profile public defender of the administration's deportation agenda, constantly going on Fox News and other networks to criticize detractors of the president's deportation agenda, and also criticizing people on social media who are criticizing the administration's deportation efforts and its crackdown on illegal immigration. She will be replaced by Lauren Biss, who's currently another DHS spokeswoman. And we also have heard that the administration is bringing in Katie Zakaria, who's currently a commentator on outlets like Fox, to help the new team with communications. And again, this is a very high-profile job because it is the administration's signature domestic policy issue, and it comes amid growing discontent among the public with the administration's immigration policies.
Camilo Montoya-Galvez, thank you.